Here in New Center today, the New Center North End area. Seeing this home listed at $249. Showing some clients that are in town. Look here, beautiful staircase. Tons of natural lighting. Original hardwood floor. This needs to be finished out. Look like they removed the wood to do some electric work. But yeah, awesome home.